So many feathers laying around. They are fighting a lot these days. Begging sounds and begging eyes. Yeah, what do you say, Mama? Huh? Agree? They're doing a good job. Or what do you say, Daddy? I miss the ducklings. They don't dare to get out when you are around, you know? Yeah, he's chasing them around all the time. Yeah, you are the bird boy. I know. Yeah, another one. Yeah, another one. Yeah. Here. You like it? Yeah. Here, you got the rest. Here you have. It's all of it. Oh yeah, and here he comes, chasing, huh? Yeah, I'm empty, Daddy. It's nothing more now. No. Here, on the ground. In the ground. My dough is really wet today. I didn't even really recognize him. So beautiful with the snow. Yeah, Mr. Crow, do you find things stuff down there? Hopefully.